Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to study about ing form. There are some certain verbs that should be followed by ing form called gerund. Here are 35 words that must be followed by ing form in the pattern of verb plus verb ing instead of plus to infinitive. 35 verbs followed by ing gerund. Admit mengakui. Anticipate tahu lebih dulu. Appreciate menghargai. Avoid menghindari. Consider menganggap. Contemplate memikirkan. Defer. Delay menunda. Deny menyangkal. Detest jijik. Dislike tak suka. Enjoy menikmati. Escape melarikan diri. Excuse memaafkan. Endure sabar. Tahan. Fancy menyukai. Finish menyelesaikan. Forgive memaafkan. Imagine membayangkan. Keep on meneruskan. Loathe membenci. Mention menyebutkan. Mind berkeberatan. Ms. kehilangan. Pardon memaafkan. Postpone menangguhkan. Practice mempraktekan. Prevent menska. Recollect menjingat. Resent mendendam. Marah. Resist bertahan. Risk menempa risiko. Suggest menyerangkan. Understand mengerti. Worth berharga. Look at these examples. She admitted stealing the money. I don't anticipate meeting any opposition. She always avoids meeting us. He tried to avoid answering my question. Have you ever considered going to live in another country? She can't endure being disturbed in her work. He enjoys playing cards. The child narrowly escaped being run over. I don't fancy eating food in that restaurant. I don't fancy going out this evening. Mother has just finished cooking. I'll do it when I've finished cleaning the floor. Don't keep interrupting me while I'm speaking. I don't want to risk getting wet. Don't miss visiting the National Gallery. He resents being called a fool. Suddenly everybody stopped talking. There was silence. Tom suggested going to the cinema. Ing form or gerund is more general in meaning. To infinitive suggests some special occasion. I like playing tennis, but today I like to swim. I prefer watching films, but I'd prefer to see the play tonight. I hate telling lies. Habit. I hate to tell you this. Now. Forget, regret, remember plus gerund means what has happened or what is done already. Forget, regret, remember plus to infinitive means what one must do. I regret saying that means I regret that I had said it. I regret to tell you about it means I regret that I must tell you about it. I remember posting the letter means the letter was sent already. I remember to post the letter means I haven't sent the letter yet. That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.